Hey, I'm Mike, product manager of the virtual event page. As a world changed, Splash had to quickly change with it. After conducting surveys and dozens of interviews, it became clear to us our customers were shifting to virtual events and they could use our help.
I have clients ask me the question all the time, how do I measure the impact of my live stream events? The answer is the new Splash virtual event page touchpoint,
which allows you to have an on-brand experience every step of the way with a secure check-in that happens automatically and allows you to know who exactly is in the room.
Not only does it create a branded destination for your live stream, but it fully gates the content. That means as people join, they're automatically checked in. This works for Facebook Live, YouTube Live, LinkedIn Live, Vimeo, Twitch, and all the other top streaming services. Check it out, won't you?
Hey there, I'm Brennan on the customer success team, and here at Splash, we're super excited to be bringing our On24 webinar integration to the world. This integration combines two best-in-class event platforms to keep your Splash guest list and your On24 webinar registrants up to date and provide a seamless experience for your guests.
Create an event in Splash, it creates a corresponding webcast using On24. And as guests RSVP to your event, they'll receive a confirmation email from On24 and show up right on the registering list. I think my favorite thing about this integration is the fact that if your event date changes or you need to change the time zone, that'll update automatically in On24 as well. And you won't have to email your guests, it'll happen seamlessly.
Be on the lookout for best practices, documentation, and everything you need to get started. We can't wait to see what type of webinar magic you make next.
Early next month, we are going to be releasing a native integration with Zoom Webinars. This is super exciting for us because giving the ability for users to be able to throw events and have it create webinars on the fly in Zoom is something that we've heard time and time again. I think this is really exciting for us because it's a bi-directional webinar integration. So as people join the webinar, they're going to update in Splash and their status will change to checked in. When they leave the webinar, Splash will get that data and know exactly how long your guests attended the webinar for. So our whole team is super excited about this, and it's something that we can't wait to bring to market, and we can't wait for you to use it.
Hi, I'm Alex, and I'm here to talk to you about the Splash event theme that I designed this month for Pride. Because it's Pride, as you may have guessed, this theme features a very bold color palette, but it also features a really interesting layered arrangement of components and modules that is set up in such a way that's very easy to customize and make your own based on your own event program's needs.
What I'm most excited about this theme is this is the first time that we've productized a custom theme in our theme library. Whether you're a freemium or enterprise customer, you have access to this theme and can customize it for your company or just an internal event or event with friends.
Repurpose this theme for any number of use cases. It doesn't need to be Pride. Even though it's brand new, we've seen this used for Black Lives Matter events, for Juneteenth events, really anything that calls for a bold color palette and a really playful vernacular. Feel free to get in and start playing around with this theme. Hope you enjoy it and happy designing.
I'm Kristen, head of support here at Splash. And it's time to celebrate. Team Manager is finally here.
With Team Manager, program admins have complete control and visibility over their users' roles and permissions and accessibility.
Prior to last month, any change to your team had to go through someone here at Splash. No matter what change happened on your side, it would not be reflected in Splash until someone on our side came to the rescue. But with Team Manager, we've given you all the power.
You can grant as many on-site and read-only licenses as you want, so that way none of your guest data is compromised and everyone stays in the loop.
As one power user recently said, as much as I love you guys, I can't wait not to talk to you. Well, we'll miss you too, but we know it's time to let you fly on your own. Enjoy!